is that a 4.3 grams of hydrated tetraoxosulfate 6, this is the formula, was heated to remove water of crystallization, of course. The remaining anhydrous salt had a mass of 2.12 grams. Calculate the value of X in the hydrated salt. So we have here that the mass of hydrated salt is 4.3 grams. And the mass of the anhydrous salt, based on the question, that's the mass of what was left. The remaining that was left is 2.12 grams. Okay, that's quite important. So with this, we can find the mass of water. I'm using MW to represent the mass of water, which is going to give us 2.18 grams. Okay, so the next is we can go ahead and find the number of moles of water. I know some of you are used to my formula. I'm not used to my formula, but this makes it easier. So the number of moles of water is the mass of water, which is 2.18, divided by the molar mass of water. By calculation, it is 18. So if we find that 2.18 divided by 18 is giving us 0.12, so this is 0.12 moles. Okay, we go ahead to find the number of moles of the anhydrous salt, which is Na2SO4. It is equal to the mass over molar mass. I didn't write that earlier. The mass of anhydrous salt is 2.12 based on the question. The molar mass, we don't know. We can calculate that. Na2SO4. We can say sodium is 23. So we have 23 times 2. We have 2 of it. Then plus sulfur is 32. Then plus oxygen is 16. So we have 16 times 4. You see that? So 23 times 2 is 46. Then this is 32. Then this is 64. Which when we add the 64 plus 46 is 110. Then plus this is 142. So I am going to divide this by 142. And with my calculator, 2.12 divided by 142 is 0.015. 0.015 moles. So that means that the amount of water of crystallization is going to be number of moles of water divided by the number of moles of the anhydrous salt. And that is going to be the number of moles of water is 0.12, while that of the anhydrous salt is 0.015. And from my calculation here, 0.12 divided by 0.015 gives me 8. 8 exactly. Okay, so that means we have 8 water of crystallization, meaning that the hydrated salt should be written as Na2SO4.H8H2O. That is it. Wow, this is beautiful. So thank you very much. Meet me in my next video for efflorescent, deliquescent, and hygroscopic substances.